If you visit or in Rajshahi city and if you stay in Grand Riverview Hotel and if suddenly you illness or body bad position, then you can take the medicine from this shop called a Sheikh Pharmacy. It will be Bangla language, you could not understand, but you can ask the people in the road. Sheikh Pharmacy. Now we will show the how much discount you will get in medicine. কত পার্সেন্ট ডিসকাউন্ট দিবেন?
আমরা হলো 12%।
12% ডিসকাউন্ট you will be got each 100 টাকায় নাকি শতকরা, ঠিক আছে 100% এ সব ধরনের মেডিসিন পাওয়া যাবে।
হ্যাঁ, সব ধরনের।
You can get all type of medicine this shopkeepers. And the owner koi malik koi? This is the owner কিছু বলেন? In English. Most welcome. He will not try to tell they speaks English, but he is a good man. Okay, but this man will be feel tension with his wife because his wife is sometime fighting with him. It will be personal things, but if you stay in Rajshahi Riverview, Grand Riverview Hotel, then you can take the medicine from this shop. All men are good. This bro is also be good. He also be takes the good hair cutting. Look, take a look. And if you try to send an email from this place, if you unable to Wi-Fi disconnect, then you could try to take a hair this shop. Okay, this shop will be lead by my friend. His call name is Jorul. His call name Sajib. Mr. Sajib will be help you to send email from this country to abroad. Okay, Mr. Samuel is also be unavailable this place. So thank you.